Hello YouTube, welcome to my free masterclass 101 and this is part 4. We're going to talk about the spectrum analysis. Why we prefer analyzing while grading? Is it because as people we have different color emulation through our eyes? And this is a perfect guide for those beginners. Listen carefully, we have different type of monitor that we use and it is emulation color. Also we have different type of color range, Rec 709, Rec 2020, RGB, YUV and HDR. So analyzing gives you what you can see through naked eyes. But I assure you, use them both. Your eyes are much important, but spectrum analyzing makes you more comfortable to your grading process. Let's see this type of a spectrum that we have: parade, retroscope, waveform, and a histogram. Parade is one of the best analyzing. Is giving you a range of luma, exposure. Also a range of RGB, which is red, green, and blue. People like to use it for color balance and white balance. For white balance, if you know, or even exposure. There is a rule say do not go above 0 points right here or 1000 points in here. Better range comes from 80 to 100, but I kinda not use parade often because I have waveform. Waveform also control exposure or luma without seeing color. Also this respect the same rule about stopping points. We have a retroscope. Like I said, this is my great opportunity. Without it, I don't know what kind of grading I will do till now. Okay, this show you only color range, which is YR and BCG. All this color can be analyzed from this scope. But remember, retroscope has nothing to do with exposure. It only gives us color result. They say more your picture get brighter is more you're losing color and desaturated. But the more your picture get darker is more you can see color oversaturated. So be careful with your choices. Most of the time I use retroscope to control my white balance, fix my skin tone, or modify my skin. It has a skin tone line which is mixed between yellow and red. Yellow plus red is equal to orange. Most of human skins are into orange color. Okay, let's see what retroscope has. It has Y present yellowish, R present reddish, M presents magenta or pink if you don't know, C present cyan which is teal or light blue if you don't know, and G presents greenish. Basic rule in here, do not oversaturate till your color goes above this cycle for commercial grade, but in film grade also make sure you are inside of these boxes, which is you're not out of a Rec 709. Histogram is like a parade or waveform. Same rule, same process. The differential is it's generated from left to right. I often use histogram while I'm shooting in my camera. I make sure my range is standing into the middle. That means you go have nice mid-tone range. Thanks very much for watching this video, and make sure you no go miss part 5, which is final part. We go explain our workflow grading from start to finish. From importing your project up to exporting your project.